In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a text ad exchange campaign. A TAE campaign is a series of text ads based on a common theme. The theme can be a splash page or offer page that the reader is ultimately led to. A campaign can have an unlimited number of text ads. Each text ad can be tracked individually. This is great for split testing to see which ad performs better. To create a campaign, click on the TAE Exchange icon on the left. This will bring you to the TAE Campaigns icons, and click the TAE Campaigns icon. As you can see, we have no campaigns created for text ad exchanges. To create one, just click on the Add Campaign link, and this brings you to the form that needs to be filled out. Now remember, this is for the campaign itself and not a text ad. So the campaign that we're going to create today is called a 10K challenge. So we type that in as a title, and we put in a brief description of what the campaign or what the program is about, and I've already got that in a separate note, so I'll just copy and paste it here. The link that we want to promote would be one of the links from the 10K challenge, and we can probably find one here. And if you want to make this campaign active, you can leave the default to yes, as it is here. Once you're satisfied with the campaign information, just click Save My Campaign, and as you can see, it is now here. Notice that there are 0 emails. At this point, we want to be able to create a text ad or email in this particular case. We have the choice of adding either a text message or a HTML message. In our case, we will select to add a text message. So we click the Add a Text Message link, and that brings us to this form. The subject that we're going to put in is Work Smarter, Not Harder. That's our subject title. The body of the text message I've already created, and I'll just copy and paste it in here. And we can add a note to this particular email. If you're doing split testing, you can put in some specific information about this particular email. In our case, we're not going to do that. So we're satisfied with how that looks. We just click Save My Text Ad Exchange Message, and there it is. If you want to view what it looks like, you can click the View icon, and it shows that. Now notice here that it has created a link. It's in the footer, but it's created a link which is cloaked, and this is the link which is identified specifically with this particular message, so you can track hits on this text ad. This is going to be very important for marketing. And we can go ahead and create more messages if you wish. This is where you'll see the number of hits, and later on we'll show you how to drill down and look at individual statistics. The very same thing can be done for adding an HTML message. So let's say we wanted to add an HTML message. We click on that icon or that link, and that brings up an editor. Now this editor is quite sophisticated. It can allow you to build HTML pages in here. We're not going to go through that. That's for another. That would be for another video. But you can build your own text, your own HTML messages. If you already have an HTML page that you want to be able to put in here, you would click on the source icon here. Now you can actually cut and or copy and paste HTML code in here, and that will then appear as your HTML message. And that concludes the tutorial on how to create a TAE Exchange campaign.